Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second part I promised. So here we'll be doing some shading and adding color to this. So in order to do that, so I want to make some adjustments to this because I don't like how this character actually look. When I actually look at it, I kinda hate what I do here. So let's just reduce this a little bit. Let me go back to edit mode in order to do something. Okay, so let me scale this up. Oh, so don't forget to go to your extreme mode in order to do this, then scale this down. Okay, so outside that, then let me just edit this. This is kind of too big for me. I don't like it that way. Okay, I think this is cool. I do like this. Then come back here. So let's do something. Okay, so let's just make this cool. So I'll add some loop cuts to this from here. Then I'll add loop cuts on here. I will leave it. So select the one at the middle. So let me zoom in. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit more. Then the one here. Then use your Alt key. With your Alt key, press everything together. Then use Alt Z to move it downwards. So that will give it a. So let me just check this. So I think this is cool. Just come to shade smooth. So I think this is cool. Let me check. Then come back here. I don't like this. So let me just add a loop cut. So okay, yeah. So I'm adding a loop cut here. Let me add it to this. Then I will add another one. Yeah. So this is what I want. Then you can just select the one inside there on your face mode with your face selected. Then let's put this outward a little bit. Should we leave it like this? Well, I think this is good. Oh. So let's leave it like this. Okay, move out. Go to your front view. Then this, scale this down on X. So then scale it down on Z. Then move this up. Then select your leg and move it up. Then reduce this. It's too big. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, this is still cool. Even though the end is kind of too long. So is it on the X? No. On the Z? No. On the Y. Sorry. So I'm trying to scale this down somewhere. Okay, on the X axis. So that's where it should be. Then put this where you want it to be. Okay, yeah, it's okay like this. Just move this on around here, way down, as this is where you want it to be. So this is okay now. So let's just go to the grading now. I mean the shading rather. I'll move this down before we go. So now go to your shading here. So now we have this. So move it down. So you see this is all white. So we have to add some material. So I want this. Okay, let me just go back to image editor. Where's it? Okay, image editor here. So then I will select the image we've been using. Sorry. I will select the image we'll be using, which is Melissa here. So let's check what they do. So they have a blue color here. Well, I will be giving my own blue. Oh, is it blue now or green? Whatever it is, I'm not good with color. I have color blindness, so I'm not too good with color like that. So let me select this and add a new material. Then put this. I want this to be orange, so let me just add some orange. Okay, I think this is cool for me. So I might like to increase the metallic so that then the roughness. I think this is good for me. 0 point whatever it there. So this also I want this. Okay, so that I can be able to use this later. So I will just rename this with orange. Then I want this to be okay. Let's deal with this first. So come here. Instead of adding a new material, all you have to do is turn this to. So once you click on this, then come back here. Then let's use a black for this one. Create a new material here, and change it to black. Change this to black. Yeah. Then here change this to orange. Change this to orange too. Then change this to black. Yeah, black here. You can have black here too. Then turn this to black also. Then this one, turn it to orange. So remain the eye. So let me make a color here. Oh, sorry, that's too much. So let me just zoom that out. Okay. So go to the side view so that you can feel what we're doing. So just select this. So I want to add two color to this. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is just go here, then select all this with your face selected, then alt select all this face. So you just come to this place, then click on plus, add new material, then under this just assign this for that, then Ctrl I to select others, then add another material, new, then assign this. So under that, just click out, then select this face only, add another material, new material, then assign this. So now let's try to change all the material now. So let's start with this one. Here I want that to be black, so you can come in and select your black. No, I want that to be orange so that others can be black. Then others can be black. So you can just select this and turn it to black. Okay. Then the front here, I want this front one here. I want it to be a light blue. So that will be a new material entirely. It's not like this. I want it to be in the form of this. But I don't want to use a principal BSF, so I want to use an emission. So you can just change that to emission. Another way to do that is control. Let me just control set. Another way to do that is sorry. Okay, it's not doing. But another way to do that is, let me just come back here and choose principal BSF. Where's that? Okay, principal BSF here. So this is what we have before. So you can just delete this. Another way to do that, then Shift A, press Shift A, then click on this search for emission. Sorry, emission. So this is emission. Just click on the emission here. Then from emission to service. Don't put it on volume, put it on service. Then increase the strength. You see this is not showing now, so you have to do something. Just come to here. Come here. Then click on bloom. So you see, so this is how the strength to it. So if you reduce it and if you increase it, so I think I like that. So just opt out of that. So that means light is coming out of that eye. So something like this. There's an emission of light, just like Superman. So this is your character. You can actually play with the color. If you don't like the color I use, you can play with the color and do something else. Because I have a color blindness, so I'm not go with color selection like that. So just play with what you have. Let me see. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much.